You found a design you love, but you have a different vision for it. Reshape it. Give it a completely different feel. All you need to do is upload the image of that design and write a prompt describing what you want to change. Open Myth AI. From the tool menu in the top left, select Image and Text to Design. The image upload panel opens on the left. You can drag and drop your image directly or click to browse from your computer. If your image is below 1024 pixels, the system will let you know. For better output quality, use the 2x or 4x super resolution option. Resolution directly affects what you get out. Click the Auto Prompt button below the prompt field. Myth AI reads your image and automatically generates a detailed written description. Fabric, color, silhouette, every detail. You don't need to know how to write a prompt, the system does it for you. Scroll down the panel, then pick your repeat mode. Do you want a repeating pattern or a placement design? There's a mode for every use case. Sharpness controls the edge definition of your design. Choose how many images you want to generate. Use the negative prompt field to exclude anything you don't want in the design. We typed bow to remove the bow detail. For dimensions, choose between 1x1, 3x4, or 16x9. This slider is key. It controls how much weight the uploaded image carries versus the prompt you wrote. Pull it left and the image drives the result. Pull it right and the text takes over. Everything is set. We hit Create Design and Myth AI gets to work. First result is in. A soft pink dress with a Peter Pan collar and gold buttons. It holds the spirit of the reference image but reimagined through the AI. And a uniqueness certificate is generated automatically for every design. Hover over any result and Generate Similar appears. Use it to create variations from a design you like. Download to export, use to send it to another Myth AI tool, or edit to keep refining. The auto-generated prompt is fully editable. We replace sleeveless with long sleeves and shift the slider slightly toward the prompt side, first to 4060, then to 3070. Image and text to design. Upload your reference, let the AI read it, shape your prompt, and keep going until you land exactly where you want to be. We add sleeveless top to the negative prompt. Generate again. Second result, long sleeves, same pink tweed fabric, same structured A-line silhouette. Push the slider to 10/90. Now the AI is reading almost entirely from the text. Each iteration shifts the result a little further. 3 designs, all from the same starting image. Now we have several versions to choose from. With Myth AI, every iteration takes seconds.